Okay, so as you can see, everything's frozen and the whole garden's sort of been shut down basically for winter. But here is my setup here. So here's the pizza oven. Haven't used it for a while, must say. Yeah, it's probably about 10 centimeters thick or so. The outside layer, the insulating layer. This tin thing here, I just use that. I open it up like this when I first fire it up. That's what the inside looks like. See how it's clean? That's because it's got like around 600 degrees or more inside. It's burnt off all the ash. And here where it's darker, it cooled down a bit. So anyway, when I'm firing it up, I take this tinny thing off. And then when it's warmed up a bit, there's less smoke, I put it back in place like that. And that helps to keep some of the heat in. And I block this chimney, which you sort of see there. I block that off. So yeah, up top, block it off once it's got up to temperature and it doesn't need the heat sort of thing. So that's how it kind of looks. Yeah, that's how my oven is. And even with the chimney, you can see it smokes out the top. It doesn't really need a chimney, actually. Anyway, that's the tandoori oven here with the insulation around the sides here all removed. Because I thought I'd be clever and use cork, but the cork just smoldered and burnt away. But this thing is brilliant. I might replace this part next year, because you can see it's all like really cracked up, although it doesn't make that big a difference. Like once the insulation goes in here again, and I'm going to use split this time, stones, use split, and then just cover the top with lem again, and then it should be fine. It'll all push back in and it'll hold it all there. So the idea is, see down there, there's a little hole. Here it is at the front. Yeah, you start your fire up inside there, and this draft coming in through the bottom is just amazing. It takes a bit to get the fire going, but once it's going, it's just unstoppable. That's probably 2 to 3 centimeters thick, and that gets super hot, super quick. And what I've done is like, I hang a chicken from the top, like make a bit of a form down the bottom so I can put veggies in the bottom, hang the chicken at the top and let the fat from the chicken drop down. We often put a waffle maker on top there as well. I don't know where that is at the moment, but yeah. And that's all. It's all just mud and sticks. And that form is kind of like one of these blue drums cut down halfway. And then I made the form inside it, turned it over, and placed it in that spot. Actually, it has to be placed in that spot first and then made with that form over top because it's too heavy. I tried that. That's right. Yeah. But anyway, that's a tandoori oven. And that's a boomer. That works great. And that's my current pizza oven. And like I say, this is like, it's not got enough insulation on it. I mean, it works great. Makes really good pizzas. But there's also the old one I had. I think you saw pictures before of the drum. And that was much quicker to heat up. It just didn't hold the heat. And even this one's losing heat. I need to like really insulate the outside of it more. Anyway, dude. Where's my boy? I was going to show my boy. Ginger, say hello to Uncle Deanie. Ginger, come here, buddy. Come on. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, Uncle Deanie. I'm the dog. I'm the dog on the frosty ground. Okay, man. See you, dude. Take care.